Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OnePlus 12R. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And now click this button to skip introduction, then click not now, and then click open permissions. Now select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you can click back and click back again. And now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.